This is Edward. He's a male. Show me your face. He got a little teeny white patch right here on his chest. Little one. Then we got a female here. It's Emma. She's the only female black one that we have. Got little white feet. She's cute. Cute little face. And she's got a big old white patch on her. Right there. That's Emma. And the last black one we have is JJ, which he sold. But we'll show you real quick anyway. He's a male. He's got his tongue sticking out. He just got done eating. And they're 3 days old. Another week or so, they'll start to open their eyes. And those are the 3 black ones.